Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uma Khumalo uniketa i-girlfriend yaMpumelelo Mseleko or i-advice yamahhala free of charge or awuyithengi. So Uma Khumalo as Musa Mseleko's third wife and upha ilo girlfriend yemntwana indodzi yakhe i-advice for free, guys. So we know ukuthi uMpumelelo une-girlfriend leshasha ligama lakhe Amahle Sibongo kaGazela Shizulu walaphana aKwaZulu Natal. So people are saying ukuthi sikufilela story girl, ngathi uyabona labanye bayaphuma bovuyukazi baphuma kucala because babonile ukuthi cha lento lena ibabuyisela emuva kakhulu lutho njena ngcono nje umuntu athi qhubekele ngempilo yakhe. Wena upenzi uyangena umuhle umncane wengeke ubuke i-boyfriend olato bayi-1 khona ufuna ukuthi sithi faqa esithenjini nje semjolo for ini girl omhlena kangaka. So people are saying ukuthi we really feel sorry for this girl because she seems like a really down to earth girl othulile manje masekade ifaka la kuMpumelelo asati so uMpumelelo posted the girl 2 weeks back lapha ku Instagram ke sana afakile onengoma yokuthi ngiyakuthanda uyazi ngiyakuthanda mntana womuntu uyatifela uthando lolusha vele lisathi inhlitiyo sathi bhaku sajabulile mfana. So Makhumalo commentile kuleya post la ifakile uMpumelelo Mseleko aphagele i-advice yamahhala. Ucommente kena wabhala lokulandzelako wathi ungamithi guys, that's a good advice, and especially my ibuya kumakwe boyfriend yakho, you should know ukuthi ithathe serious, ithathe nenhloko. She's very serious, ngeke azadlale ngento lefana nale. Wathi ungamithi because she knows ukuthi once wabasipati girl it's trying ngayo, because we know ukuthi ngaze uMpumelelo umuntu nje la mnika umntwana akamthatha yani serious. Uhlala funa nje chocolate injani, uhlala funa chocolate insha once nje wamithela amfuna umntwana lo yamfana once wamithela gone. So uMakhumalo said to girl ukuthi girl tendele favor don't fall pregnant, and people started laughing bahleka abantu bangena kuleya comment yaMakhumalo bahleka bathi we sihlonto pasibinzi sakho Makhumalo, but Nkosi yami vele it's the truth Nkosi yami. Ayithathe lo mntwana le advice angamithi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.